Good day, everyone. I am Marjurie A. Ando from BSN-2 Block A. In this video, I am going to perform the fetal heart monitoring using this stethoscope. So first, identify the correct patient. Next, introduce yourself and state the purpose of the intervention. Hi mom, I am Marjurie A. Ando, your student nurse for today. So for today, I will check for the rate, rhythm, the presence or absence of the acceleration and declaration of the fetal heartbeat. Next, expose the part to be examined and keeping covers in the other parts. Mom, may I have a consent to uncover your abdomen? Okay. Next, let's proceed to perform the four maneuver. First, condyle here. Second is umbilical. Next, place the diaphragm of the stethoscope onto the client abdomen where the fetal back is located. Okay. And last is assist the client to stand up from the bed. So the finding when I was listening for the baby's heart sound, I have counted it and it is 125 beats per minute and that is normal. So that's for the fetal heart monitoring using stethoscope. So thank you for watching and God bless.